How to share your Amazon Prime membership with your friends. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from Geek. In today's video, I'll simply show you how you can share your Amazon Prime with your friends using Amazon household features. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, assuming that you have already signed up to Amazon Prime and that you want to share that membership with one other adult or up to 4 of your children, or maybe just some of the friends that you have, the first thing to do is to open up a web browser, go to the Amazon website in your country and then sign into your account. Next, just click on the button that says account and list to the right of the search bar, then click on the your Prime membership from the list, or click on Prime to be taken to a new page that shows the benefits you're entitled to with your Prime membership. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom and you should see a section that says share your Prime benefits, and then click on invite someone now, as you can see over here. And once you do so, enter the name and email address of the person you would like to share your Prime account with. And next, you'll have to authorize the person you're sharing your benefits with to use the payment card linked to your Prime account. Now this lets each adult with the Amazon household copy payment details to the other's payment option, and it won't affect your payment settings. And on the other side of the things, the invitee will receive an email similar to the one shown right over here. They will have 14 days to accept the invitation and can cancel their existing Prime membership if they already have one. And you'll then see an invitation confirmation and more information about the shareable benefits right on this specific screen, and you can go ahead and read those accordingly as well. And that's all it takes to share your Amazon Prime membership with friends. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.